What would I do without your smile? Showing me in and you kicking me out. Got my head spinning, no kidding, can't pin you down. And the bridge will be A minor, like that. Okay, so that and then that one, A minor. Okay, A minor, G, and D. Okay, so let's start from the first one until the bridge. My end and my beginning, living when I lose I'm winning, 'cause I give you all of me, you give me all of you. How many times do I have to tell you, even when you you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down. I'm around through every fold. You're my downfall, you're my muse. My words, distractions, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing and ringing in my head for you. My head's underwater, but my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I'm losing, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Oh. Cards on the table, we're both showing hard, risking it all, though it's hard, 'cause loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I'm losing money, 'cause I give you all of Can you give me all of you? Oh. Thank you guys. Please click video and please subscribe my subscribe me, and hope you guys like it. So goodbye.